Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. As you can see, this is a Redmi 5. This is the Nusantara OS. As you can see, this is the Nusantara project for Redmi 5 Android 11. You will get Android 11. This is the latest security patch and the build available for Redmi 5 Rozi. So we will review. We will also check the side by side comparison of this ROM with other ROM. If you want comparison of this ROM with the other ROM, whichever you want, you can comment down below. I will compare it with that ROM. As you can see, kernel is installed, SQLite kernel is installed in this ROM, and Linux status is permissive. Now let's check the bugs of this ROM. There are less bugs in this ROM, and the Geo is working perfectly. There is no problem in the Geo. Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, everything is working fine, so there is no problem. And Bolt is also working. There is no problem in Geo and Bolt, so you can easily enjoy the Wi-Fi, hotspot, everything. Here you will get the Nusantara wings. As you can see, this is the customization. If you want to check the full customization, you can check the previous video. I have already made the full customization, full review of this ROM. Video link will be in the description. You can check it according to your use. All the features are working perfectly. There is no problem in each and every feature, as you can see. And the lock screen, here is the lock screen items. You can charging animation, you can change the charging animation light, and the battery temperature is also working, and the battery performance is also good in this ROM. There is no problem, and everything is working fine. And network related, there is no network related problem, any other problems. And the fingerprint is also working. We will also check the fingerprint speed, how fast is the fingerprint. These are the some customizations. You can customize it according to your use. So here is the data traffic indicator is also available on the status bar. Here are some of the QoS settings: print, random color, Asian color. As you can see, you can change it according to your use. There are many features of, as you can see, disco. As you can see, you will get different colors in different QoS styles, so you can adjust it according to your load use. Header image is also available. So there are many features. If you want a full feature review, you can check the previous video. I will not tell about all the features of this ROM in this video, as I have already made the video of the features. As you can see, this is the layout, navigation. All the features are the same like the previous ROM. There is no change. As you can see, button, here is the buttons. Volume panel left, right is also available. You can set it according to your use. And here is the kill app button, screenshot, clear all is also available, as you can see. And the battery performance is very amazing. You will not feel any random drop in the battery. As you can see, here is the display, here is the lock screen custom option. Here is the custom option. There is no always on display right now from here. And let's check other feature. Brightness is working perfectly. There is no problem. Adaptive brightness, automatic brightness working. Night light is also working. Intensity, you can set it intensity according to your usage. And dark theme is also available in this ROM. It works perfectly fine, as you can see. For better battery backup, you can enable the dark theme. And here is some styles and wallpaper customization. Grid clock is also available. As you can see, Samsung one is also available. Let me apply it. As you can see, you will get the Samsung one. It works perfectly. There is no problem. Now let's add the fingerprint speed. Tab fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint speed is very good in this ROM, very fast. So there is no problem in this ROM. You can use this you can use this ROM for daily usage also. I recommend this ROM. This is the best one ROM in Android 11 also. And the features are just amazing. You can customize your phone according to your usage. But just if you enable more features in your ROM, your battery performance will drop. So check it according to your use. And screen attention is also available. You can enable it. It works perfectly. If your sensor works, if your device is in the good condition and the sensor works in your device, it will work perfectly. And double tap to wake anywhere on the screen is also working, as you can see. Display size, you can change the DP is accurate. There is no problem in the DP. You can make it default 360 DP is the default one. It is accurate. There is no problem. And the sound is also working perfectly. There is no problem in the sound. Vibration is also working, and the sound quality is very good in this ROM, so there is no problem in the sound. Bolt is also working. Here is the network speed, as you can see. Vibration is also working in the gestures, or you can say navigation bar. You can change the gestures. If you want to use the gesture, you can easily switch, and to button is also available. And here is some of the storage available. We will also check the gaming performance of this ROM, and we will check how is the performance of this ROM. Is this ROM better for gaming or not? Now let's check the face unlock. Here is the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock first, then we will check. Something went wrong. As you can see, there is some problem in the face unlock. As you can see, let me check the camera first, if the front camera is working or not. As you can see, camera is also not working in this ROM. I don't know. Here you can see camera is also not working, so there may be issue in the camera application. If I found any bug, I will write that. I will write about the bug in the description, so you can must check the description for any bugs. I will update you, so don't worry. And the Google account you can easily log in. There is no need to flash any gaps. It is already included in this ROM, so don't worry. And here is the system. As you can see, the gestures is also available. You can set it according to your usage, and the keyboard is also available. Here you can see all the features are the same. So I have installed the root in my device. I have rooted my device, this ROM, because I want to install the Call of Duty, because you cannot install the Call of Duty via file manager in Android 11, so that's why I have installed. It is not pre-rooted. Now let's check the safety net, whether it is passed or not while your device is rooted. While your device is rooted, it will not be passed, as it is failed. As you can see, success fail, validation failed. As you can see, response signature validation is failed. Now let's check the Play Store, whether it is certified or not. Our device, now here you can see device is not certified. This ROM is not certified. As I have installed the Magis Manager. Here is the system. Root is available. As you can see, Android 11. This is the kernel. Quell Lite kernel is installed. Root is available. Permissive Magis Manager is installed. I have already installed. Terrible supported. Seamless update is not supported in this ROM. We will launch at the Call of Duty, so don't worry. And now let's check the YouTube. YouTube is also working in this device. It is pre-installed. This YouTube app is pre-installed. So as you can see, and here is the disk space. Now let's check the disk speed. Internal storage, as you can see, this is the speed of the internal storage. It will tell you about all the speed and the external storage speed. You can check it in the side-by-side comparison video, so I will not tell you about the speed in this video. Now let's have the gaming performance of this ROM, Nusantara ROM. As you can see, this is the first time I am playing this game in this ROM. Now let's check how is the performance of this ROM in gaming Call of Duty. As you can see, right now there is not. As you can see, when enemy is nearby, there will be little bit lag in the starting. Let's check after few seconds how is the performance. As you can see, it is working perfectly right now. As you can see, there is little bit lag right now. As you can see, it is working perfectly right now. As you can see, there is some lag. As you can see, right now it is lagging. My device specification is 2 GB RAM. As you can see, it is working perfectly right now. We can only detect when the enemy is nearby. Now let's check the missile test also. It is working perfectly right now. In the starting you will feel the lag, but right now there is only few lag. You will face the lag when the enemy is nearby. Only a little bit lag, not very big lag or any other. So the overall performance of this ROM in the gaming is very good. As you can see, there is no lag. Only in the starting, when you launch the game for the first time, you will feel the lag. It is just a small lag only. So the performance of this ROM is very good in Android 11 also. Gaming performance is good. So you can try this ROM for gaming. I recommend this ROM. This is the best. Nusantara is the best Android 11 ROM which you can trust for gaming. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.